permutations and combination. आता मी तुम्हाला काही गोष्टी सांगतो त्या तुम्ही लिहून घेत जावा. परम्युटेशन्स अँड कॉम्बिनेशन्स. परम्युटेशन्सचा अर्थ समजून घ्या, दॅट इज नथिंग बट अरेंजमेंट. अँड कॉम्बिनेशनचा अर्थ आहे नथिंग बट सिलेक्शन. हे लक्षात घ्या. सिलेक्शन आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड व्हॉट? चॉईस. परम्युटेशन्स यू कॅन डिनोट बाय capital P and combination you can denote by capital C. Remember this. So while writing permutation you can write in this way, NPR. Remember, NPR. P stand for permutation, N stand for dissimilar things, are taken R at a time. So what is the formula of permutation? NPR, N factorial divide N minus R factorial. Remember this. N factorial, this sign is for what? Factorial. N factorial divide ह्या दोघांचा डिफरन्स n minus r factorial, where NCR, again C is nothing but what? Combination. N is nothing but what? N is equal to dissimilar things taken r at a time. So NCR formula n factorial divide r factorial and bracket मध्ये n minus r factorial. So these are the two formulas of what? Permutation and combination. Permutation NPR, n factorial divide n minus r factorial. Combination NCR is equal to n factorial divide r factorial in other bracket n minus r factorial. So please note down this, where you can write where n is equal to dissimilar, n is equal to dissimilar things taken R at a time. Please note down this. Hope clear everyone. लिहून घेतलं का? Please note down if it is done. Okay, great. Okay, now see here. First understand what is factorial. Factorial means, understand, suppose if it is a 5 factorial, so this can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is. So this is the way you can write factorial. 5 factorial means what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You have to start with 5 till you get what? 1 in descending order. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 that is called 120. So in how many ways we can arrange 5 factorial? 120 ways. Remember this. So this way we can write what is n factorial can be written as n factorial means only n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and dot 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 till you will get what? 1. So this is nothing but what? N factorial. Please write down this. This is the way we can write factorial. 1. This is a concept of factorial. Okay, great. Okay. Now see here. See if there are 7 persons, and we have to arrange them. 7 persons and we have to arrange them in a what? Line. So there will be two kinds of arrangement, one line arrangement and one circle arrangement. So arrange 7 persons in a line. So there is only one way because all the 7 persons are different. So there is only one way, that is 7p7. So p is nothing but what? Permutation. So 7p7 would be what? 7 factorial. So if you apply this formula, 7p7 means what? 7 factorial divide 7 minus 7 factorial. So 7 factorial, 7 minus 7, 0 factorial. So 0 factorial nothing but what? 0 factorial nothing but 1. So finally answer is what? 7 factorial. So whenever your n is equal to r, whenever your n value and r value will be same, your answer would be what? N factorial. Remember this. So whenever your n and r value would be same, then your answer is what? N factorial. So 7p7 would be what? 7 factorial. If it is 6p6, then answer is going to be a 6 factorial. If it is 5p5, the answer is going to be a what? 5 factorial. So we have to arrange 7p, like 7 means nothing but what? And dissimilar things. And we have to arrange all the 7 persons. So I have taken all 7, that is r. So in how many we can arrange? In 7 factorial ways we can arrange them. So what is the formula? 7p7? 7 factorial. This is what? In a line. If it is like, if we have to arrange 7 persons on a or arrange 7 things or persons in a circle. Now this is second arrangement. So now here the word is what? Circle, and here the word is what? Line. So whenever there is arrangement which is based on what? Line, so we can arrange them in what? 7p7, that is the formula is what? Direct we can write 7 factorial. If it is 6p6, we can say 6 factorial. If it is 5p5, so we can say 5 factorial. And here it is what? 7 things in a circle. 7 things in a circle means what? Whenever they ask you to arrange in a circle, so what is the formula? 7 minus 1 factorial. So that is nothing but what? 6 factorial. Remember this. So whenever they ask you to say arrange in a circular arrangement, so if there is a 7, so you can write 7 minus 1 factorial, that is 6 factorial. If it is 6 here, then you will write 6 minus 1, that is 5 factorial. Please note down this. Please note down this. Okay, great. So now, first we'll see arrangement and then we'll see combinations. See what is now, see, if I'm, see, what is the formula? NPR, that is n factorial divide n minus r factorial. And what is combination? NCR, n factorial divide r factorial and n minus r factorial. This is the formula. So suppose if I write 6p4, so 6p4 हे तुम्ही कसं वाचणार? How you will read this? 6p4 कसं read करणार? 6 dissimilar things taken 4 at a time. So where 6 is nothing but what? N, and 4 is nothing but what? R. So this can be written as 6 factorial divide n minus r, means 6 minus 4 factorial. Remember this. So here I can write 6 factorial divide 6 minus 4, 2 factorial. So this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. कारण खाली काय मला मिळाले? 2 at the denominator we got what? 2 factorial. So this numerator solve up to only 2 factorial and divide by 2 factorial. This 2 factorial will get cancelled. So what is left? 6 5 are 30, 30 into 4 120, 120 into 3 360 ways. So in how many ways we can arrange this? 360 ways. Same way we can take there in combination. So we'll write 6c4. What is 6c4? Nothing but 6 dissimilar things taken 4 at a time. So here 6 factorial divide 4 factorial and bracket madhe 6 minus 4 factorial. This is the formula. So here what we can write? 6 factorial divide 4 factorial into 6 minus 4 is nothing but what? 2 factorial. So this can be written as 6 into, now look at, in denominator we got 4 factorial is bigger than 2 factorial. So upper value will solve only up to 4 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divide 4 factorial into 2 into 1. So this 4 factorial will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 5 3s are what? 15. So in how many ways? The same. See, now look at here 6p4 and 6c4. The value is the same. The only in permutation we are getting answer is 360 ways. And when it comes to combination we are getting what? 15 ways. So what is my answer here? In how many ways we can select this, or we can this is combination means what? Selection. So in how many ways we can select? In 15 ways. And in how many ways we can arrange? In 360 ways. Write down both the problem. Is this clear, everyone? What we are doing? We are only using formula. That's it. Please write it down as early as possible. Done with this? If it is done, then please reply. So I will go ahead. Okay, great. Suppose if now I will take what? Suppose instead of R, if I take N, NPN, that is nothing but what? your upper value and your like n and r value both are what equal. So npn can be written as n factorial divide n minus n factorial. So n factorial divide n minus n 0 factorial. As I told earlier, 0 factorial would be 1. So my answer is going to be here n factorial. So in every case, now let us see, come to this part, NCN. Now here it is P, here it is C. So n factorial divide r means n factorial and n minus r means what? N minus n factorial. So n factorial divide n factorial and n minus r would be what? 0 factorial. So 0 factorial would be 1 and n factorial will get cancelled. So final answer is here what? 1. So see, when you are going to take same value of n and r, so in combination case you will get 1 and in permutation case you will get what? N factorial. So here what you can do, suppose if it is 6p6, so your answer is what? 6 factorial. If it is 5p5, answer is what? 5 factorial. But when it comes to combination, see, when it comes to combination, suppose if it is 6c6, so answer is 1. If it is 5c5, answer is what? 1. So please note down this. Done with this? Please reply. Oh, great. So now in this case what we'll do, see now, okay, now here I can give, suppose if it is 4p3, now look at the difference between n and r is only 1, 4p3, I'll write here 4p3 and I take here 4c3. Here it is permutation, here it is what? Combination. So look at the difference between n and r is only 1. So how to solve this? Again same formula will apply. 4 factorial divide 4 minus 3 factorial. And here it is 4 factorial divide 3 factorial and in other bracket 4 minus 3 factorial. So now 4 factorial as it is, 4 minus 3, 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is nothing but what? 1. So remember 0 factorial and 1 factorial is nothing but what? 1. And here what I will get? 4 factorial divide 3 factorial. 4 minus 3, that is 1 factorial. So here answer I will get only 4 factorial. Remember this. So answer is here what? 4 factorial. And here what I will get? 4 factorial into 3 factorial divide 3 factorial, so both will get cancelled. So my answer is here 4. So now see here you can directly remember what? When there is a difference is 1, it means suppose n p n minus 1. Remember this. n p n minus 1 is equal to nothing but n factorial. This is the formula. Remember this. And in this case n c n minus 1 is equal to n. Okay, write down this. So these are the what? Basic concept based on formulae which you guys have to remember. Okay, Rushali is asking that 4 into 3 kasa ala. Okay, that I will explain, Rushali. But first note down this. Rushali asking in combination case, right, Rushali? You want me to explain this wala step, na? 4 into 3 factorial kasa ala, right? Okay, that I will explain to you. Now इथे लक्षात घ्या काय करायचं बघा. Now pay Rushali, what we have to do, see 4 factorial divide. आता इथे लक्षात घ्या, when you solve this 4 factorial divide 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 1 factorial. So if whenever you will be getting 1 factorial or 0 factorial, don't write, because at the end the answer is going to be of 0 factorial and 1 factorial is going to be 1, so no need to write also. So only write 4 factorial and 3 factorial like this only. Now if you have to solve this further, so how you will solve this? 4 factorial means what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But look at the denominator. In denominator you have a 3 factorial. So what you have to do? Numerator value you have to solve only 3 factorial in descending order. So what I will do? 4 into 3 factorial. That's it you have to do. Why? कारण खाली तुला डिनोमिनेटरला 3 factorial आहे, म्हणून वरचा व्हॅल्यू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डरला 3 factorial पर्यंत न्यायचं. जर समजा खालची व्हॅल्यू 2 factorial असती, तर तू वरचा व्हॅल्यू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डरला 2 factorial पर्यंत घेऊन गेली असती. मग 4 into 3 factorial divide 3 factorial. So this 3 factorial will get cancelled. So finally what is left? 4. Remember this. So 4 factorial सॉल्व करताना नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं, 4 कुठलाही फॅक्टोरियल असेल तर त्या नंबरपासून स्टार्ट करून डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डरपर्यंत जायचं टिल यू गेट 1. बट आता ह्या केसमध्ये डिनोमिनेटरला 3 फॅक्टोरियल आहे, तर वरचा व्हॅल्यू तू 1 पर्यंत घेऊन जाण्यामध्ये इट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. सो बेटर 4 into 3 factorial, because we got 3 factorial denominator. So 3 factorial and 3 factorial will get cancelled. So what is left? Only 4 is going to be left. Hope you clear, Rushali, this. ओके, ग्रेट. सो वरती काय लिहायचं किंवा कसं मल्टिप्लाय करत, दॅट इज डिपेंड ऑन तुला डिनोमिनेटरमध्ये कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू आहे त्याच्यावरती वरच्या व्हॅल्यूचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन डिपेंड असतं. नेक्स्ट, सपोज NP0 आहे, मीन्स n dissimilar things taken 0 at a time. So this can be written as n factorial divide n minus 0 factorial. Remember this. And what about combination? NC0 where n factorial divide n minus 0 factorial. And I'll write, okay, n factorial divide 0 factorial and n minus 0 according to the upper formula. So what I will get here? See, n factorial divide n minus 0, n factorial. So both will get cancelled. Answer is here what? 1. And here n factorial, 0 factorial is 1 and n minus 0, that is again n factorial. So this will also get cancelled. So here is also 1. So only in this case where r is equal to what? 0, in both the cases your answer is going to same, that is 1 1. So write down this. Hope you are done with this. Please reply. Okay. Chalo, great. Now we'll solve questions on this. So write down question number 1. In how many different ways can the letters of the word, in how many different ways can the letters of the word mango, apple, banana be arranged? हे लक्षात घ्या. Please write down this question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango, apple and banana be arranged? And banana be arranged. आता याच्यामध्ये एक लक्षात ठेवा, तुमच्या एक्झामला कुठला तरी एकाच वर्डवर तुम्हाला अरेंज करायला विचारतात. मी इथे आय हॅव टेकन 3 डिफरंट वर्ड्स, म्हणजे एकाच क्वेश्चनमध्ये मी 3 डिफरंट वर्ड्स घेतलेले आहेत. बट इन एक्झाम यू विल asked to find only one word, like maybe mango, maybe apple or maybe a banana. Remember this. So to save our time, I have taken all the 3 different words in one question only. But we'll solve one by one. The question is what? In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango, apple and banana be arranged? Hope लिहिलं सगळ्यांनी हे. See, now we'll try to solve this. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango be arranged? Now see, take first word, that is mango. Okay. Now when you look at mango word, see how many letters mango has? Total 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the letters are different. Remember. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just write. See, first part we have to take mango. Mango. Okay. Now in this case, in mango we have 5 letters, and look at mango, all the 5 letters are different, and we have to consider all the letters over here, because it is written in how many different ways can the letters of the word. So all the letters of the given word we have to consider. So here we have 5 letters. So what is our formula to arrange all the 5 different letters? 5p5. So what is 5p5? When n and r value are same, so you can directly write what? 5 factorial. So what is 5 factorial going to be? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. That is in how many ways we can arrange? 120 ways. Please note down this. So our answer is what? In how many ways we can arrange this? 120 ways. Hope everyone is clear this. Please note down this. Then we'll go for what? Apple. Okay, great. So second, apple. How to solve apple? Now look at apple. Again, all the 5 letters in apple, but where P is written twice. Look at here, where the P is written how many times? Twice. So when letters are repeating, or letters like same letters repeated like twice or thrice, so we cannot write this way, because here Apple has a 5 letters, but not all the letters are different, where P is written what? Twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this problem can be solved. Write down 5 factorial, because 5 letters have written, or Apple has a 5 letters, and divide by 2 letters. And the 2 letters कोणते letters ते घ्यायचे, जे letters त्यांनी repeat लिहिलेले आहेत. So P किती वेळा लिहिलंय? 2 वेळा. So write down 2 factorial. Remember this. So this can be solved 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, कारण खाली 2 factorial आहे, आणि मग वरती पण 2 factorial एंड करायचं, and then divide 2 factorial. 2 factorial will get cancelled. So finally answer is 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3, 60. So in how many ways we can arrange this? 60 ways. Please write down this for Apple. Clear everyone this? This clear? Jayesh, Rushali, Krushali, Aditi, Gargi, Sarthak, Nihal. If it is clear, then please let me know for banana. Please find banana. Banana. Tell me answer for banana fast. So what is answer? See now again now see, banana has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters, but obviously not all 6 letters are different, where A returns thrice and N returns twice. So what we'll do here, write down 6 factorial, divide A written thrice, so we'll write 3 factorial into N written twice, that is 2 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. I will stop at 3 factorial because खाली जो मोठा number है, Rushali, please pay attention here. Again I am going to stop at 3 factorial because खालचा number 3 factorial मोठा आहे. So आपण तिथपर्यंत solve करूया. 3 factorial into आणि हा पुढचा number will write 2 into 1. So these 3 factorial and 3 factorial will get cancelled, and here 2 2s are, so 5 2s are 10, and 10 into 6, how many ways we can write this? 60 ways. Okay. So this is your answer. So Aditi, it is not 10, it is 60. Yes, great. So your final answer is what? In how many ways we can write? 60 ways. Please note down this, and this clear everyone? This clear everyone? Please reply. Please note down this. Rushali, Krushali, Jayesh, Gargi, Damini, Bharti. Okay, great. So now take next question. Question number 2. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango, in how many different ways can the letters of the word mango be arranged in such a way, be arranged in how many ways, in how many different can the letters of the word mango be arranged so that all the vowels come together. Please write down this. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango be arranged so that all the vowels come together? So here we have to arrange the same word mango but in such a way that vowels should come together. So what we'll do now, see, pay attention. In mango, M, N, G and A, O. So see, this is one group, that is called what? Vowel group, A, O. And this is which group? Consonant group. And all the three letters in this group are what? Different. And whenever you make arrangement of this word, you have to make arrangement of this word in such a way that vowel always come what? Together. So what we'll do, we'll consider this group which we have to arrange together, that will consider what? One unit. Remember this. So we'll consider this group as a what? 1 unit. Why? Because we have to consider this group as a what? Together. Remember this. So I'll write this group as a what? 1 unit and this group as a what? 3 unit. Remember, because all the three letters in this group are what? Different. So 3 unit plus 1 unit, that is going to be a what? 4 unit. Remember this. So first what we'll do? First we'll arrange this 4 units. So how do we arrange 4 unit? 4p4, that is nothing but what? 4 factorial into, now see, ज्या ग्रुपला आपण एकत्र पकडलाय टुगेदर दॅट वॉवेल्स, त्या एका युनिट मध्ये किती लेटर्स आहेत? 2 letters and all the 2 letters are what? Different. So we'll write that what? 2p2. So that is nothing but what? 2 factorial. So my final answer is what? 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So what is 4 factorial? Nothing but what? Maybe 24 and 2 factorial is 2. So finally answer is how many ways we can arrange? 48 ways. Please note down this, 48 ways. Hope you understood this. If not, then let me know. I will explain once again. Please write down this. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango be arranged so that all the vowels come together? Okay. See, I will repeat this once again. Please pay attention. Okay. See, in mango, we have to arrange vowels together. So we'll write vowels. What are the vowels we have in mango? A and O. So write down together. And what is left now? M, N and G. This is what? Nothing but consonants. So how many letters in consonants we have in this group? 3 units. And vowel should be what? Together. So whenever they say together, so consider that unit as a what? 1 unit. Remember always. So total units now we have what? 3 plus 1, 4 unit. So all the 4 units here what? Different. So what I will do? First arrange 4 units. So I will arrange 4p4, that is 4 factorial. Remember this. Into now ज्या युनिटला आपण एक पकडलंय आणि ज्यांना आपल्याला टुगेदर अरेंज करायचं आहे, इन दॅट युनिट वी हॅव अगेन 2 letters and which are what? Different. So how do we arrange those? This way, 2p2, that is what? Nothing but 2 factorial. So final answer is what? 4 factorial into 2 factorial, and this can be written as 4 factorial is nothing but what? 24, and 2 factorial is nothing but what? 2. So finally in how many ways we can arrange? 48 ways. Okay. Write down this. Hope Gargi is clear to you. I will take one more example of same type. Okay, so now question number 3 मध्ये ऍपल अरेंज करा. ऍपल ऑल द वॉवेल्स शुड कम टुगेदर. इथे मँगो अरेंज केलाय सेम वे. प्लीज मला तुम्ही ऍपल अरेंज करून दाखवा. प्लीज नोट डाऊन दिस अँड सेम क्वेश्चन, ओनली इन्स्टेड ऑफ मँगो आपण फक्त ऍपल यूज केलाय. काय आन्सर आलं? ॲपल. Okay, Aditya saying 48 ways. Let us see whether it is right or not. See, how do we write now apple? Pay attention. Again, here what we have to do, vowels should be together. So first find what are the vowels we have in apple. Again, that is A, E, A and E. These are what? Vowels. Okay, and rest is what? Double P and L. These are what? Consonants. What we have to do? We have to arrange A together, vowels together. So as I've discussed earlier, whenever they say arrange, whatever they say to arrange together, we'll consider that unit as a what? 1 unit. So we'll consider this as a what? 1 unit. And this will be your what? 3 unit, because it has a what? 3 letters. So 3 unit plus that is total going to be a what? 4 unit. But now pay attention here. Here you cannot write 4p4. Why? Because in 4 unit, here the p is written what? Twice. So this can be written as 4 factorial divide 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because p is written how many times? Twice. Into, now 1 unit has what? 2 letters, and all the 2 letters are what? Different. So we can write 2p2. So that is nothing but what? 2 factorial. So finally your answer is what? 4 factorial, like 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divide 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Hey, 2 factorial इथे लिहिले. So this and this cancel. 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So this 2 factorial means what? 2 only. So 4 3s are 12 into 2. So in how many ways we can arrange? That is 24 ways. Please write down this. Aditya, hope you clear this. तू डिवाइड बाय 2 नाही केलं, बिकॉज याच्यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवा डबल पी जेवढ्या वेळी पण लेटर रिपीट असतात, सो वी हॅव टू डिवाइड बाय दोज लेटर्स. रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, व्हेरी गुड आदित्य, गॉट इट. दिस ग्रेट. क्लियर एवरीवन? व्हाट अबाउट रेस्ट? Okay, very good. Bharti got 24 answer. Very good. Okay. Hope you written this. Hope you note down this, please. Okay, Aditi also got there. Very good. Chalo. Now let me know for this banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Banana where? What is the condition? All the vowel should be together. Same. All the vowels should come together. What is the condition? All the vowels should come together. Do it fast. Banana. See what will be the answer here in banana. Okay, who has got the answer? Let us see. Rushali is saying 3 ways. Nihal is saying 12 ways. Sarthak is saying 12 ways. Okay, we'll check it out. Now see in banana, what are the vowels we have? A. So let us consider them as a what? 1 unit, because we have to arrange them together. And what is next? B, N, N. This is what? 3 letters we have. So that is 3 units. Total comes to what? 4 units. Remember this. This clear everyone? But obviously we cannot write this as it is. What we'll do? 4 factorial divide. In 3 unit, the n written what? Twice. So I'll divide by 2 factorial. Hope you clear this. Into, now in 1 unit, we have 3 letters. And all the 3 letters are what? Same. So 3 factorial divide 3 factorial. Remember this. This way we can write 3 factorial divide 3 factorial. So final answer is what? 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divide 2 factorial into 3 factorial divide, that is going to be 1. So this 2 factorial cancelled. So final answer is what? How many ways we can write? 12 ways. So your final answer is what? 12 ways. मग ज्यांना 12 ways answer मिळाले त्यांचं right आहे. So please note down this. Hope everyone is clear with this. Okay, great. Clear everyone? Okay, great. So what we'll do now, we'll stop our session for today. Same chapter will continue tomorrow. आता याच्यामध्ये आता आपण बघितलं की vowels should come together हा पार्ट बघितला. So tomorrow we will see what will happen when vowels do not come together. आता आपण फक्त together बघितलं. Tomorrow we will see what will happen when vowels do not come together and few more questions on different concept based on what permutation and combination ते आपण उद्या बघूया. So same chapter will be continued tomorrow. This clear everyone? Please reply. Okay, great. And one more announcement which I want to make right now. See, this हा आता आपला जो बेसिक कोर्स आहे दॅट वॉज रिलेटेड टू ओनली मॅथमॅटिक्स, जो आपला 30 एप्रिलला एंड होणार आहे. अँड फ्रॉम 4th मे वी आर लॉन्चिंग अवर वन मोर कोर्स which is again going to be a completely online live course, and that will be based on completely IBPS, SBI आणि RBIच्या ज्या आता एक्झाम्स येणार आहेत, येणाऱ्या ऑक्टोबर, नोव्हेंबर, डिसेंबरमध्ये स्पेशली क्लेरिकल आणि POच्या एक्झाम्स. त्यासाठी 4 मे पासून आपला बँक एक्झामचा कंप्लीट कोर्स, ज्याच्यामध्ये एंटायर मॅथमॅटिक्स, एंटायर रिझनिंग, एंटायर इंग्लिश आणि एंटायर जनरल अवेअरनेस, म्हणजे इंक्लुडिंग कंप्लीट कोर्स इंक्लुडिंग प्री प्लस मेन्स, अँड दॅट कोर्स हा साधारणतः 45 डेजचा असणार आहे. आणि जो कोर्स आपण 4 मे पासून चालू करतो आहे. तर ज्याही विद्यार्थ्यांना त्या कोर्ससाठी जायचं असेल, जो 45 डेजचा कोर्स आहे, आणि त्याचं बेनिफिट असं आहे की तो आपण परत लॉकडाऊन पिरियडमध्ये स्टार्ट करतो आहे. कारण ऑब्व्हियसली हा लॉकडाऊन जो 3 तारखेला सांगितला तो 3 तारखेला संपणार नाही, ऑब्व्हियसली तो एक्सटेंड होईल. तर त्या लॉकडाऊन पिरियडमध्ये आपण तो कोर्स रन करणार आहोत. दॅट विल बी रन फॉर 45 डेज. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये दॅट इज कोर्स द बँक एक्झाम कंप्लीट कोर्स फॉर SBI, IBPS आणि RBIचे क्लेरिकल आणि POच्या एक्झामसाठी असणार, आणि जो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4th मे पासून स्टार्ट होतो आहे. आणि त्याची ॲक्च्युअल जर आपण क्लासरूममध्ये जर घेतला तर त्याची ॲक्च्युअल फीज आहे 10,000, जी सध्या आपण घेत होतो बिफोर द लॉकडाऊन पिरियडच्या अगोदर. आता आपण लॉकडाऊन पिरियडमध्ये त्याच्यामध्ये आपण परत एक ऑफर दिलेली आहे की ज्यांना तो कोर्स करायचा आहे, जो कंप्लीट कोर्स आहे, जो येणाऱ्या ऑक्टोबर, नोव्हेंबर, डिसेंबरच्या एक्झामसाठी तुम्हाला बेनिफिट असणार आहे, आणि तो विद्यार्थ्यांना आपण फक्त देत आहोत 82% ऑफ आहे. म्हणजे साधारणतः 1799 आपण तो कोर्स, 10,000चा जो कोर्स आहे तो आपण 1799 देत आहोत, ज्याच्यामध्ये 120 तास लाईव्ह इंटरॅक्टिव्ह क्लासेस असणार आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये 105 तुम्हाला ऑनलाईन टेस्ट मिळणार आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये जनरल अवेअरनेसवरती लेक्चर होणार आहे, रिझनिंग, एंटायर रिझनिंग विल बी कवर्ड, एंटायर मॅथ्स विल बी कवर्ड, आणि एंटायर तुमचं GK 4 विषय आपण त्याच्यामध्ये कवर्ड करतो आहे. अँड प्लस त्याच्यामध्ये त्याचं जे मटेरियल आहे, साधारणतः आपण तुम्हाला 5 बुक्स ते आपण तुम्हाला कुरिअर करणार आहोत. वन्स युअर दिस लॉकडाऊन पिरियड इज ओव्हर, देन 5 बुक्स आहेत त्या 1799 आम्ही तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहोत. ज्या कोर्सची फी मार्केटला 10,000 रुपये आहे, तो आपण या लॉकडाऊन पिरियडला 1799 देतो आहोत. सर, जेही विद्यार्थी इंटरेस्टेड आहेत त्या कोर्ससाठी, तर मी ग्रुपवरती त्याची लिंक पाठवतो आहे. ज्यांना इच्छुक आहे, ज्यांना करायचं, त्यांनी त्या लिंकवरती क्लिक करून एनरोल व्हा. क्लिअर सगळ्यांना आहे? प्लीज रिप्लाय. ओके, ग्रेट. सो दोज आर इंटरेस्टेड दे कॅन जॉईन. ओके, हाच सेशन आता आपण उद्या कंटिन्यू करूया. मी नवीन कोर्सची जी 4 मे पासून चालू होते त्याची लिंक मी तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सअपला पाठवून देतो. ज्याही विद्यार्थ्यांना करायचं, कारण बघा ह्या लॉकडाऊन पिरियडची ऑफर आहे, एवढ्या कमी याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कोर्स कुठेच मिळणार नाही, आणि घर बसल्या आपल्याला काहीतरी शिकता येईल, आणि आपली तयारी येणाऱ्या IBPS, SBI आणि फोर्थकमिंग एक्झामसाठी पण होऊन जाईल. त्याच्यामध्ये मटेरियल पण मी तुम्हाला देणार आहे, भरपूर गोष्टी मिळणार आहेत, ते मी तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सअपला पाठवतो. आणि आता हाच आपला टॉपिक उद्या आपण कंटिन्यू करूया टुमॉरो ॲट 5:30. वन्स अगेन थँक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. थँक यू फॉर जॉईनिंग फॉर टुडेज सेशन, and have a good day, and we'll end up our today's session. Thank you.